Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is a fun one. It's something out of the blues. So I've had these silver sets for a long while. I believe it's been like over 13 years or 14 years if I'm right. And I've actually chucked them somewhere because they got dirty. I never got around cleaning it and I decided to stop using it. But it's summer here and I'm looking for something different from the usual gold that I do, and I saw it and I decided to wash it this morning and start wearing them again. But I wanted to do a tutorial video on how the process or the method I used in washing it, just so that if anybody needs to use it, probably will be able to do it. So what I did was just get an old saucepan, put it on low heat with water in it, put it on low heat, got some aluminium foil, put it in the water, and I started dropping in my old silver accessories, my necklace and my two bracelets. Now look at how dirty they are and you see how clean they'll be in a minute. So I got some bicarbonate of soda or sodium bicarbonate, and I got a 1/4 teaspoon of that, and watch the magic very soon. I'm going to add a few drops of fairy, about 13 drops of it, just not too much, just a little bit of it to help the washing process. And then I put my fire on low heat. Okay, now let's watch the magic. It took quite a while because I left it to simmer for about 30 minutes. I didn't even have time to keep it much longer, but I believe 30 minutes was enough to give me the look I was looking for. If I wanted it to clean it some more, I would have had to go more minutes, but I was in a hurry as I was about stepping out to do school runs and to go to work. So I just done it for 30 minutes and that was it. So I left it to simmer on low heat, and then the change began to take effect. Okay. Now look at that. Do you see what's happening here? Yes, that is exactly what happened. I was so excited about the outcome, and I'm happy I was able to film the process and share it. Anyway, let me talk to you about a fundraising event that is coming up on the 28th of September 2024 at the Jewellery Theatre, Sherwood Rise here in Nottingham. If you live in Nottingham and you're watching me, this is for you. We'll be happy to see you. If you've ever chanced on any of our tutorial videos online, we'll be happy to have an interaction with you, meet you, get to know a little bit about you. You get to know about us as well from Skilled Hands and all of that. So on the 28th of September, we are having an annual fundraising event. This is a 3-activity in one. Now I'm going to pause here and let you look at the effect after it's been washed. Look at that. Can you imagine? So I've not done anything yet to it. I'm now going to use my silver polishing cloth to clean it some more. And look at that. So amazing. Interesting. Well, I believe if you're following us, you know a little bit about Skilled Hands already. If you don't, Skilled Hands is a non-profit organization or a charity that empowers women through artisan craft workshops. We empower women currently in 5 areas, which is the dressmaking, bag making, soap making, jewelry making, and millinery. The icing on the cake, which just happened to us, is you get to get a certificate endorsed by NOCN at the end of your training with us. Our workshops are in 2 parts or have 2 durations. You have the long courses and the short courses. The short courses are for 12 weeks. Our long courses are for 24 weeks. And like I said, when you finish your course, you get to take a certificate endorsed by NOCN away with you. For this reason, we want to keep 7 women, especially the women of Nottingham, because this is where we are based. So we are raising funds to keep our workshops running, and I will be happy for you to join us. On that day, we'll be having a fashion show where the women in the dressmaking class will be making garments to be modeled on the runway. We'll also exhibit all the works we've done throughout the year and hopefully make some sales from that as well. And then we would have an award ceremony where we would appreciate our women for the skills they've been able to acquire for themselves, their commitment, their dedication, and everything else. We're looking forward to some live performances. It's going to be exciting. So save the date and we look forward to seeing you there. Now look at the change. I'm loving it, and I hope you're loving it as well. Please leave all your comments in the comment section below, as we'd like to hear from you. We'll also be happy if you can visit our website and see all the services that we have in stock and the things that we're doing here in Nottingham and on the internet. So until we meet you again, have a brilliant day and stay safe. Take care. Bye.